Welcome back, boys and girls. Yesterday, we started an all about lions booklet. We touched and told everything we wanted to say about lions. We drew our picture. We added a label and a sentence to every page. And every single page in our booklet told about our topic, which is lions. Now remember, when we think about how to write an all about book, we did our topic, check. We wrote all about one topic, check. Our third goal is to add more details. And there are 3 ways to add more to our topic. We revise by adding more pictures, adding more labels, or even adding more sentences to our topic. Watch me as I reread my booklet and think about what more can I add to it. Now, when we revise, we use our green pens. If you don't have a green pen, you can use a colored pencil or a different color pen. Okay. All about lions, written and illustrated by Miss Allen. Page 1. Lions have manes. Oh my God. Remember yesterday we talked about how thick the lion mane could be? And we already added a label. I was thinking yesterday, since we talk about how thick the lion manes are, maybe we can add a longer label. Maybe we can label this thick mane. Yeah? Okay. Let's read page 2. Page 2. Lions have teeth. And they're so sharp. I was also thinking we need to label the teeth and let our readers know that they are sharp. So we can say sharp teeth. Oh, wow. Page 3. Lions have paws. Their paws are big. Maybe we should say big paw, right? The lion has big paw. Let's label paw. It's big. Big paw. And our final page, we talked about how bushy the lion tails can be. And I was thinking we should add bushy. Now when we add longer labels, we can add a sight word. We can say the tail or an adjective to describe what we're labeling. And in these cases, where we added our labels to each page, Miss Allen described how each thing was. Okay, let's reread our book again. And remember, in order to make revisions and to edit, we need to read our booklets over and over until we fix it up. So let's begin. All about lions. Okay, we have our lion. Thick manes. Look at that. Lions have manes. If you have more details in your picture, you can label. So like there's a tree right here. I can label the tree, right? You can label the grass. Page 2. Lions have teeth. And we have sharp teeth, so our readers know the teeth is sharp. Okay? to be careful. Page 3. Lions have paws, and the paws are big. That's more detail, right? But wait a minute. My sentence doesn't look right. Can you look at my sentence and tell me what I did and how to fix it up? Exactly. Sentences begin with an uppercase letter, and this is a lowercase L. We need to change that to an uppercase L. Now, let's cross out that L and put an uppercase L. Lions have paws. But that doesn't look right. So let's cross out our whole word and write it over. Lions have paws. And they're big. Page 4. Lions have tails. Oh, I forgot my period. Let me add my period. Let's reread that sentence. Lions have tails. Ooh, and the tails are bushy. So now that we're finished revising and editing our book, we need to publish. And when we publish, we put our book in order. And this is why we add numbers to our pages. We make sure that our cover page is at the top. And we need to put our book together. We can add a staple, or if you have tape, you can tape your booklets together. And then you add some very nice color to your drawings. And there you have it. This week we wrote 2 books. We wrote our All About Lions book, and we wrote our All About Elephants book. Hope you guys wrote 2 books this week.